How's it going, everybody? Welcome to We Do Tech. Now, just like the title says, it's another unboxing video and we got a bunch of Elgato stuff, which I'm really excited for. Trying to get into streaming again, and these products will definitely help out with that. So let's check them out. So firstly, got this the bigger box, which I kind of already know what's inside because I talked to the guys, so I'm really looking forward to trying them out. And my plan is to do like a setup video as well, so I'm going to like build my ultimate streaming setup with these, and then I can start streaming again, which I've wanted to do for a while now, but yeah, it's kind of a bit hard, and there's not really that many new games that's out now. Apex, I'm kind of over it, but I'm looking forward to Borderlands and then also to the new Call of Duty. There we go. Alright, that box is kind of not going to be used again. Alright, so wow, that's a lot of. Alright, but first, kind of have to do this. There we go. And the thing is, I have to clean that up. More. There we go. Alright, so firstly, let's just put this bit to the side. So firstly, we have the HD60 Pro internal capture card. Now, I already use a internal capture card and they're amazing. If you wanted to dual PC stream, honestly, that's the way to go. And this is going to help out with that. It's 1080p, 60 FPS. Honestly, you don't really need more than that. I know you can get the better one. I can't remember exactly the name, which does support 4K. But are you really going to stream 4K? So that's, yeah, max bitrate 60 megabits per second. And yeah, so I'm going to do the installation on this one. I'm also going to do for all of these products, I'm just going to do like quick videos going over some of the features, the installation, and so on. So we're going to take a look at the HD60 Pro. Next, we have the Elgato Camlink 4K. Now, I'm really glad they sent this over because a while back I purchased the Camlink and then like a month later the 4K came along. And they're the exact same price, they look the exact same, but the one supports 4K, the other one doesn't, and that was kind of a bummer because I didn't know. So this one is also going to come in handy. Again, I did say that you don't really need 4K, but for a camera, you can upscale, or you can downscale the 4K to 1080p, and that's going to look beautiful. So for my camera, which I use the GH5. This is really gonna be handy, and it's literally just a USB that you plug in with an HDMI cable. So looking forward to trying that one out as well. Then we have it's kind of big. Whoa, there we go. So here we have the Key Light from Elgato. I've checked these out and they're hella bright. When I was at Computex 2019, yeah, they had like a few there. And these things are super, super bright. As 160 LEDs, I believe it's up to 45 watts. And then in range between 2,900 and 7,000 Kelvin. So can have it more of the blue daylight color, or can have it more warmer color as well. I'm kind of curious to seeing what's inside, so I'm gonna unbox this one because I'm kind of curious. So now, where's the knife? Come here, my super sharp knife that's not really sharp. Kinda need a new knife. That's a bit tight in there. No. Alright, so here we have, looks like instructions. But I don't need instructions because I'm a man. A manly man. Whoa, the light's actually quite heavy. So you can see the light, it has a. Alright, I'm gonna just tear the entire thing. So that's how big the thing is. Nice aluminum construction, aluminum, a bit of plastic here at the back. Yeah, I believe that's plastic. But this thing, yeah, delivers 45 watts. It has a diffuser built in, so it's not going to be as harsh on your face if you want to use it. And yeah, it's really, really bright. You do get a stand included, which is awesome. So you don't have to try to mount this thing against your wall or go buy anything else. This is actually included. So your desk clamp, so it just clamps to the back of your desk. See if I can quickly set this up. Quickly just like that. Comes with a ball head. So it's the first time I'm actually using one as well. Seen them, but I haven't actually used them before. So I'm really looking forward to checking them out. And then you can tilt them wherever you want. I know it's a bit high, but you can even take it higher completely out of the frame if you wanted to. So that's pretty cool. Aluminum construction for the stand as well. That's awesome. That's awesome. I really like this. Included in the box, just all of the power connections and so on. Again, I'm gonna do a full review kind of video or short review video on this one as well, because I know they have been out for a while, so I'm not gonna do like a crazy video, just a quickly. And then also I'm gonna build like a streaming setup for me, where I'm gonna start streaming again. But now that's not all. Okay, let's just quickly remove this one, put it somewhere safe, because the next one is quite large. And then here it is. There we go. It's a bit heavy, not too crazy. So you guys probably see, that's why I said this knife is super sharp. It can cut through anything except whatever this is. It's kryptonite. All right, not playing around anymore. It's jeez, all my knives this dull. I haven't used this knife ever, so I kind of just open it up. There we go, and lost one. There we go. Just gonna put that over there, safe and sound. Alright, so which way do I open it up from? Okay, this side. It's not the easiest box to unbox. Oh jeez. You guys can just imagine what it looks like down here, because everything is just on the ground here. And there we go. Alright, that came off. I already broke it. No. Alright, I'll see that. I don't think I broke it, but there we go. So if you guys don't know what this is a portable green screen. So, alright. Hopefully I didn't break this one as well. Alright, so you can clip it there. Hopefully yours don't break like mine. And then open it up. And boom. Hello. So you can pull it up quite a bit and then just retract it again. And it's just literally with one finger almost. You can. That's awesome. Boom. So it's a super handy if your room is quite small and you don't have like a wall to paint or put like an entire green sheet on. You just get something like this and shoop shoop, put it down, put it up, and you are set. That's actually really cool. I believe Rebeltech does stock them. Pretty much everything here Rebeltech does stock. I will leave links in the video description where you can check them out, and also on Amazon, of course. So I believe, no, we still have one thing, even though it's not really a streaming product, it is quite cool, and then it might lead to something a bit bigger. So let's quickly check that. Now I first need to find a place to put this down, because there's almost no walk space. Alright, that's against the wall. Now the other box. And here it is. Boom, so this is a case, as you guys can see, but which case? You can't see that. There's nothing there. Alright, let's quickly open it up. Hopefully. Boom! Yeah! This is so hard. I'm sweating like crazy already. Yes! It's out! There we go. Alright, so this is the Corsair Graphite 220T. This is one of their new kind of low to mid-range case. And I'm gonna cut myself in the face. Also just quickly gonna open it up. There we go. I believe this one, I'm not sure about in dollars, but I think it is retailing for around 1,700 Rand here in South Africa, which is maths, like just under $100 probably. Ooh, and this is the white version. Alright. There we go. More box. It's the bottom. Woo! There we go. Boxes and boxes and boxes. Alright, so this is their new case, which tempered glass. It has this cool front panel, which it does include 3 of their SP Pro 120mm fans. So these ones, I believe, are also addressable RGBs now. The previous SPs was just also in the middle a single color, or you can change it, but I think these are addressable. And now mid-tower case, it looks damn pretty, I have to say. And once you actually have RGB inside, no, this is going to be a beautiful case. Now it is more of a budget oriented case, because you do also get 3 fans included, which a lot of other cases don't give you. So build quality is okay. I actually thought it was going to be worse because of the price and everything you get. So nice job, Corsair. So again, I'm going to review this case in the next 2 weeks, I believe, and then also we're looking to do something big with this case. So we're looking, not confirmed yet, but maybe in the near future we will see. So this is the case. We have the Camlink, the HD60 Pro, the light, and I'm not going to get the green screen now because that thing is crap heavy. So there we go. I can't remember, but I actually thought there was going to be another a stream deck included. I'll just have to check that with Corsair. But yeah, that is pretty much it for my unboxing. Just to show you guys what's coming up in the near future, what type of videos. Again, I'm going to do like a setup video, and then I'm going to do small little reviews, and then also tutorials. So if you guys have any questions about streaming, if you don't know anything, let me know. I'm going to do a bunch of videos for that, and just to educate yourselves. And I'm also going to start streaming again. I'm going to try tomorrow, starting in tomorrow. It's just, I'm waiting for some new games to come out. I want Call of Duty and Borderlands. I want the games so bad. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. A massive thank you to Corsair and Elgato for sending these over for reviews. And then also, if you guys want to get any of these for yourself, again, I will leave links in the video description where you can get them on Rebeltech if you're living in South Africa, and then also on Amazon. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I need new knives to cut stuff because even this bloody big thing is kind of useless. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I will check all of you next time. Cheers, guys. I just quickly want to show you guys how it looks after I've done an unboxing. So yeah, it's kind of a mess. There's stuff everywhere, so now I need to clean up.